Hello, today I'm going to show you how to draw these optical illusion columns. First, we will create a grid. Let's set the fill to none, bring the stroke to the front, and choose any color you like. Next, select the polygon tool, click on the artboard, hold, and drag your mouse outward. While holding the mouse button, press the down arrow key a few times until you create a triangle shape. Next, while still holding the mouse, press and hold down the Shift key to constrain the proportions. Finally, release the mouse first, then release the key. Switch to the selection tool, hover your cursor over this corner, and while holding down the Shift key, rotate the triangle by 90 degrees. Next, open the stroke panel and make sure the Align Stroke option is set to the center. Let's set the corner option to Round Join. Now go to Shape in the tab bar and set the radius to 41 pixels. With the shape still selected, press the letter O for the Reflect tool. While holding the Alt key, click on this anchor point to set the reflection point. Be sure the axis is set to the vertical position and then click Copy. Press the Ctrl and A keys to select everything and then go to Pathfinder and choose Unite. Let's zoom out. Move this shape to the top and create a copy. Now press the Ctrl and D keys 4 times to repeat the last step. Select everything and create a copy. And as we did previously, press the Ctrl and D keys 10 times to create more copies. Next, switch to the pen tool and let's draw a straight vertical line from this anchor point past the one at the bottom. And one more line from this anchor point past this one. Select both lines and create a copy, ensuring they are equally spaced. Now press the Ctrl and D keys to make more copies. Let's delete this line. Select everything and then go to the Shape Builder tool. Choose Gray for the fill and let's create the first shape. Having a sketch for reference can be helpful. Skip one block and create one shape here. And one more. Move down 5 blocks and create one shape here, another one here, and one more over here. Select a different color and let's create these shapes. Let's delete the grid. First, select the Magic Wand tool and then click anywhere on the grid to select it. Now press the Delete key on your keyboard. If you like, select everything, bring the stroke to the front, select a different color and increase the stroke weight. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.